Good day to all. Let me speak for Dr. Arlie Imperio, MD. Let me ask you, is it possible to have food supplements that may support our DNA or deoxyribonucleotide? To answer this question, let us review or study the structure of the DNA. The DNA has the combination of the phosphate, sugar and the nitrogen bases. Each part is important to support structure and function of the DNA. Take note that the nitrogen bases are inside the DNA. There are two pairs, they are guanine paired with cytosine, and thymine paired with adenine. The combination of these pairs makes possible to store information. This is why we say that the DNA contains the blueprint of our life. Good news. These nitrogen bases are now available as food in the form of Imuregen. When we read the US label on Imuregen, we see the nitrogen bases listed, together with the 9 essential amino acids. In fact, it has 17 amino acids. And Imuregen has been described as an immune system booster. Yes. Imuregen support DNA health. Cheers.